Hi, this is Tiger from RobotDigg. Today, the topic about the PIC 3D printing filament. Here you can see, this is the PIC, P-E-E-K, 3D printing filament. This one is 0.5 kilos. The price is over $500 US. It's from 3dper.com.cn, which is nearby us. 3D Per technology. In fact, I do not recommend you to use this 3D printing filament for 3D printing, because first is the price, and second that even though why not we use such extruder, I mean print from the pallet, the PIC pallet. Even though such small desktop extruder, it may have some consumption, maybe waste. So for this expensive materials, PIC, so it's not worth, yeah, right? So maybe you can try some printing from this extruder directly. If compared with using this 3D printing filament, even though this one is from production from larger extruder, maybe SJ45 or SJ larger extruder, but because the material is imported from UK or so, and second time is the second thing is that because that this production is few. Even we produce this, but one time maybe 5 kilos or something like that. So the price is high. Yeah, that's the reason. Thanks for watching, and you can find more on RobotDigg channel.